Understanding the volume of a prism, a basic guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring a fascinating math concept, the volume of a prism. This video is designed especially for those learning English and interested in mathematics. So, let's dive in and make sense of this topic in a simple and engaging way. A prism is a solid geometric figure with two identical ends, flat faces, and the same cross-section along its length. The most common types of prisms you might know are rectangular prisms, like a box, and triangular prisms, like a tent. Understanding what a prism is our first step in learning about its volume. The volume of any object is a measure of how much space that object occupies. For prisms, it's like figuring out how much water could fill them up. It's important to understand that volume is always expressed in cubic units, like cubic meters or cubic feet, because we are measuring in 3 dimensions. The formula for finding the volume of a prism is quite straightforward. Volume equals base area times height. The base area is the area of one of the prism's ends, and the height, or depth, is the distance between these ends. Remember, it's crucial to ensure all measurements are in the same unit before calculating. Let's put our formula into practice with some examples. We'll calculate the volume of different prisms, like a rectangular and a triangular prism. This practical application will help you understand how to use the formula in real-life situations. It's easy to make mistakes when learning something new. In this section, we'll go over some common errors, like mixing up units or confusing the base area with the surface area, and how to avoid them. I hope this video has helped clarify the concept of the volume of a prism. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new topic. Keep exploring and calculating, and you'll soon be a pro at finding the volume of various prisms. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.